Hey YouTubers, so we continue to try and make this still image look more realistic, more alive. I've shut off the other two pictures on here, which are basically duplicates of the bottom image here. So right now if I play this, nothing happens, right? It's still image. So on the second one, I've added a mask. So let's turn this on. And so you can see the mask. I didn't do exactly through here. I'll probably go back and fix that. But now if we turn that on, we also added waves to it. So if I hit play, let me get rid of the mask so you can't see that. So if you look down here, you see the water in motion, kind of rocking back and forth. But on another one, I actually created more of a wave type thing. But that shows motion. So now we're going to concentrate on the cloud area. Turn that on. And I've already went ahead and masked this. Okay. So you see the outline, basically the waterfall. It's not necessarily 100% perfect. I will work on that. Now what we're going to do is add a cloud layer, and it'll probably show that I have one in here already. I've turned that one off. Okay, so right off the bat, you see it looks rather dark. So first thing you want to do is go in and change the color, which is under appearance. Background color is set to black for some reason. Then you got to play with what color blue you want. That doesn't look right. That one's somewhat close to the image that we have on the right. Okay. So then there's this thing called blend. Right now it's set to none, so it's not using any of the image on the left's clouds, and we want to actually use those clouds. So this is kind of a fun thing to play around with. You click normal. That is actually probably what I want to go with. And you'll see if you look closely, if you look at the left, there's no clouds really in these gaps, but over on the left there is. So if I were to hit play, you'll start to see some motion in there. So the top is going left to right, and the other clouds are moving back and forth. If we look at some of the other things, just for the heck of it, you can make some really pretty pictures. Color burn has a nice blue to it, but they all show a little bit of motion. Darken doesn't look right at all. Difference. So just kind of neat things that you might want to play around with. Soft light and normal are probably the two best ones. And in this example, I think I'm going to stick with soft light. So then we have the ability to change the speed of the clouds. The clouds seem to be moving a little too fast. And this gives you the control of X direction, so basically left to right on the screen, and Y is up and down. So in my example, I actually want to have these kind of go at an angle instead of left to right, and I want to slow them down a little. So I'm going to make this 50, and I'm going to change